Alright, man, so today we are not driving the RSX. Today we're driving my brother's 2013 WRX, but we need to put this dude's wheel back on. So let's go ahead and do that real quick, and then we'll give you guys a little cold start. This. I will say this though, I actually do gotta get an actual camera and tripod and stuff like that, so the quality and stuff like that will be a lot better. Right now I just have the GoPro. Going nowhere. And we're also gonna hand torque it as well. Just let me lower a little bit. Whoa. Alright, let's move this out the way. I apologize if there's too much shit in the garage, bro. Just gonna give you guys a cold start real quick. Okay, I'll turn them on real quick. See ya! This motherfucker look nice, huh? Give them these. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, look at it. Let's go ahead and see here. It's not warmed up yet. Gotta give it a little bit. Alright, so she is now warming up now. So I guess we're good to pull her out. I just hate that beat, bro. I gotta put on my seatbelt. I don't know. She feels like a bit boggy or something. I don't know. Should I connect the cob real quick? Alright, no cob, no stop. I'm kidding. Just a 4,000. She pops a little bit between the shifts as well. I kind of like that. Yeah. I haven't driven this car in a while, dude. Like, actually, in a while. Try to lower down the window a little bit, you can hear it. We're only going 50. Let me go ahead and take a pic real quick for the thumbnail, you feel what I'm saying? This guy's turning left. Come on, buddy. Today. Alright, come on, Tacoma, come on. Tight shit. Slight little something, you feel what I'm saying? Okay. I should have turned the left over there, dude. Fuck! I should have turned the left. Am I too close? Am I following too close? But yeah, next investment is gonna be obviously the 360 cam as well for the channel. We gotta get a camera and the 360 cam. We got the GoPro already. Cause I feel like the 360 cam just adds a little bit of like spice to it, you feel what I'm saying? Alright, make sure I always look both ways, man. Always look both ways, bro. You can never be too sure, like actually. Never know. Could be a busy road, it could not. Always look 2 times. Both ways, 2 times, always, bro. Alright, let me just stop talking. Like, come on, this is so stupid. Hurry up, buddy, today, come on. Today, we're in the school zone now. Oh, thank God, you're gonna just turn a right and get out of my face. Come on, buddy. Come on, today, man, turn. This is what I'm saying, bro. Like, I don't care if we're in a school zone, bro. I do not care. We're going 55 in this motherfucker. Like, step on it, dude. Everyone's so afraid of just going fast. I don't know what it is. So obviously this channel is about the Turbo RSX build, but we're gonna be doing some other POVs on different cars, because I am planning to get an STI, and we're gonna do POVs in that as well. So 2 cars for the channel, a lot of fun, a lot of meets, a lot of driving, a lot of 3 a.m. shit we're gonna do. 4 to 5th right here. We're going 80, dude. Holy fuck, this is a 45. I can't wait till they drop another update, bro, for the weather. Like, this snow needs to be removed, bro. Next patch, they need to remove this snow. Oh, we got a red light right here. Fuck. You can hear the pops too. Hold on. I don't know if you can. It's gonna pop now, but no, it's not going to. Fuck. I like that, huh? She sounds pretty good, dude, if you ask me. Let's see. Tie shit. Look at this Cube. Nissan Cube. Jesus, man. That's a Nissan Cube, man. Holy. Look at this dude. What the fuck is he doing? Yo, is he speeding up in that crappy ass Audi, dude? Like, is he actually speeding up in that basic ass Audi? Come on, turn, bro, turn. He just honked at me. Like, bro, what? What is this guy doing? Come on, dude. I'm behind a freaking sled. Like, what is bro doing? So in about 40 days or so, maybe in a month and a half, maybe in a month and 2-3 weeks, we're gonna be looking at a gray STI 2017, and I'm pretty sure a 2017 Hyper Blue one. I still haven't decided which yet, because I don't know which I'm gonna buy, but that's gonna be the next car for the channel. And then obviously we're gonna do the Turbo RSX build. Little by little, you just gotta like stack up the parts and like just do it nicely. Come on, bro. Why is everyone so like slow, dude? gotta cut that. I had to do that, dude, because they're so slow. I'm sorry. They're so slow. I'm going 80 in a 45. I don't care. I don't know if you guys heard that pop, though. That sounded pretty good. Your trash ass. Look at this guy. Yo, did you see that shit? What the fuck? This guy thought he was pole walker or some shit. What a clown. I gotta turn over here. I'm gonna turn right and I'm gonna just get this dude out of my way, cause what the fuck was that, dude? Like, actually. Wish I could pass him, dude. There you go. Hopefully you guys did enjoy the YouTube video on this WRX. It's got one deleted resonator or muffler. I know it's got no mufflers, and I think there's one resonator delete. But it drives good, sounds good. If you guys want more, drop a like, subscribe. STI very soon. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.